In this short video, I'm just going to show you quickly the new fields for capturing insurance information. So insurance information is captured on the stay detail screen. So if I'm the room census and I open any one of these stays up, I can go to the payment tab, and there is a group box at the top now, which has a number of fields for collecting insurance information for the family. So the member ID, subscriber ID, group ID, subscriber full name, and relationship to policyholder. These are all text fields that allow you to enter the information in here at your discretion. Now, this is assuming that the family has already checked in. You would capture the information here. If you receive the insurance information before the family has checked in, you can also enter it already on the room request itself. So it's also under payment arrangements. So the same fields are available here. And then when you go to check the family in, any information that you put in here will carry forward into the stay. The same thing happens if the family comes back in the future. The information from the previous stay is automatically pulled forward into the request as well, and then also forward to the next stay. So you keep that there. So that's where you can enter it and retrieve the information. And then there is also a new extract that allows you to extract the insurance information for the families that have stayed. So that's in the reports screen. Let me go back to that again. So it's under reports. Under the very bottom here, Excel and CSV exports. At the top, you'll see here there's an option that says insurance information, family stayed. So you can enter your dates. So if you're looking for current families, you would put in today's date for the start and end. If you want to look at any family that stayed, say, since November the 1st, you can select which locations you want to extract information from. And then there's an option to include families that have no insurance information. So that will pull all families that stayed in this period of time in these locations, regardless of if they have no insurance information. If you only want to limit it to families that have insurance information, you would just check the box here. And then you can save it as Excel or as a CSV. So if I dump this out to Excel, it'll prompt me for the location of the file. And when I go to create that in Excel, I now have the insurance information. So I do have all families because I opted to select everybody, but it has the insurance information. It also has information about their stay, so their check-in date, caregiver information, address, and phone and email address information, etc., is all included as well. So hopefully that will help you to manage your claim submissions and so on.